Bitcoin had a small correction here to the downside, but now we are bouncing, and I want to show you the exact level and indicator that we are bouncing off here right now. And guys, if you want to take advantage of this volatile market here on Bitcoin, then you can go here to my pinned comment below and you can go to Bybit. You can get a $900 bonus absolutely for free after initial deposit with my link, only for my community, guys. So hi, I am Alex from AMCrypto. So now let's get here straight into the charts. Here on Bitcoin, the daily chart, we were forming this rising wedge here. And because of it, so it is a bearish pattern. So, and the chances that we're breaking down out of that pattern are more likely than actually breaking to the upside. And that's exactly what we saw. We saw here this breakdown out of that falling wedge. But now we're actually experiencing a bounce here to the upside on the daily chart. And I want to show you now why we actually are bouncing here. And for that, I will take here the Bollinger Band, the 20 exponential moving average. And you can see here, if I zoom in here a little bit, and I take now for a second here this here away, you can see here we came really, really close to the 20 EMA. We did not even touch it and got a bounce here straight back up. So that is a really healthy and good sign for Bitcoin right now. And it could be already the indicator that we're actually reversing here back to the upside. But I don't want to be here too fast with my decision. It could be still that we're just coming up here on the daily, retesting the upward sloping support of that rising wedge, which is now resistance or should act as resistance, and get here another correction to the downside. So first of all, I want to see that the Bitcoin price action is here going a little bit more sideways up, or actually coming straight above that rising wedge and then goes for another push and stays above that wedge to invalidate this pattern. And guys, here on Bybit is happening something really, really nice for us. It is called the World Series of Traders. So when you click on this, it will bring you to this website. So here we can win a total prize pool of 7.5 million USDT. So this prize pool will be split among the 10 best performing teams, and I want that we are one of them. So to be able to join the team, you just scroll here a little bit down here to the section Choose Your Troop. The next step is you go and search for AMCrypto. You see then here the AMCrypto army. That's our troop. So we get rich or die trying, guys. You click on join. Then it will ask you to log in into your Bybit account. If you don't have yet a Bybit account, go to the pinned comment below under each of my videos. There you can still claim a $900 bonus in total just for signing up on Bybit if you don't have yet a Bybit account. So, and then for being an early bird registrant on this competition, you will receive also a $70 bonus here if you register within the next 2 days. So that is the only condition that they have, that you register within the next 2 days. Here's the timer: 1 day, 17 hours to register to claim this bonus. You will receive automatically this bonus after you have signed up for this trading competition. So, and guys, I would not be me if I would not give back to my community. If we win here in this competition, no matter how big the amount is, I want to give back to you guys. So if we win something out of the prize pool, I will not take 1 cent for myself out of the prize pool. I would distribute my share out of the prize pool that I would win under everyone that has participated in the AMCrypto army, guys. So make sure that you sign up and take advantage of that, and let's make here some money together. Just be aware of the terms and conditions here. If you're going to join here, you have to have a minimum of 0.03 Bitcoin in your Bybit account to take part in this competition. So, and the competition starts, so you see it when you scroll down here a little bit, the competition starts on the 28th of August here. So until then, you can register. But guys, make sure to register in the next day so that you get already a $70 bonus absolutely for free just for joining the competition. When we go here on the 4-hourly chart, it looks like that we are forming here this downwards trending channel. And every time when we came to the top of the channel, we were respecting the resistance level. So when we would come up here the next time, we would be around the $46,400 level. And if we are not breaking then above it, we might get another rejection to the downside to the bottom of it, which would bring us to $4,100 approximately. So that is something that I'm having a closely look right now, how this downwards trending channel is actually playing out. You maybe can also make the case that this is here a broadening wedge to the downside, or even a falling wedge, depending on depending on if we get here some more touch points. So it's more a broadening downwards trending wedge. So this would then technically mean that we get here a breakout to the upside. So that is more likely, and it would bring us to the top of the wedge, which would be then around here or there, the target. So depending on how you draw it, so it would be around the $48,000 level or the $48,750 level approximately. Another pattern that I found here, let me go back here on this chart into the 30 minutes, and I actually shared this with you guys on Twitter. You can go also in the pinned comment below there, you'll find my Twitter handle, or on my banner there also you can directly click and get redirected to my Twitter account. There I have sent a trade that we can take, and look at this. That is what we are looking for in a nice W pattern. We want to see that we break above the neckline, then come down again to confirm the neckline as support, and then get a move to the upside. And that is exactly what we are seeing right now here, that we are pushing here now to the upside. So the target of the W pattern would be $46,960 or $950 approximately. So that is a trade that you can definitely take, guys. And yes, guys, a lot of you have asked me what happened with my trades. So on Bybit, my trades closed. They got stopped out at break even, which is absolutely fine. But my other trade here on Phemex is actually still running. And as you can see here, I am up again 22% here, roughly $10,000 in profit. This trade I will keep open no matter what. And if I get close to liquidation price, I would just add more more margin to this trade so that I can keep this open as long as possible. And I want to show you also something else. Even though when Bitcoin was now correcting a little bit to the downside, we have a lot of room to go here to the downside based on the BLX chart. So the Brave New Coin liquid index. So, and when we have a look here historically, we can come back like here. So we came here after this downwards trend to the parabolic line, pushed up again, got another touch, and then got on a huge run. So what if we got now our first touch, moved a little bit to the upside, and getting now our next touch? So we could potentially get this touch. So that would bring us to, now let me here zoom in a little bit, to approximately $37,800, more or less. So, and from there, we would get another huge leg to the upside over $100,000. So that is also something that I would keep in mind when we look long-term on Bitcoin, that this is also a scenario that could be happening here. So, but for now, everything points to that we are, for the moment, going up here again. Let's have a look also on Ethereum. So Ethereum was trending here in this broadening rising wedge, and then also broke yesterday here to the downside. And since then, we are potentially also here in a downwards trending channel. And now Ethereum also tries to break out of it with this candle here right now. So if we would break it to the upside, my next logical level would be $31,820 to watch here, because that is a crucial level based on here, this whole section. So there was resistance, then it became here support, then here it broke down again, it broke again into support. Here it had like a small movement to the downside. So, and then here again, it broke down. So this is a really, really important level. And I would like to see that Ethereum comes up and settles above that level and goes here to the upside. And guys, don't forget, you can still claim a $900 bonus if you go to the pinned comment below and just click on my Bybit link. So after you have signed up and did an initial deposit, you can claim up to $900 absolutely for free. And if you trade this with a 20x leverage, that's almost a $20,000 trade absolutely for free, and you can keep all the profits. So let's have also a look here on the smaller time frame. Here on Ethereum, it is really, really funny coincidence. We see here actually the same happening like in Bitcoin. We see here a W pattern playing out on Ethereum. So this here is already pushing like crazy to the upside. So, and if I take it here from the lowest point to measure it all the way up to the neckline and put it then to the breakout point, it would bring us all the way up to $3,217 would be the technical target for this W pattern. So it would be not too late to enter this trade here. Let me check quick. So if you would enter now here in this range, it would be still a 3% trade approximately. So with 20x, that would be a 60% profit that you can make here in a really, really short amount of time. And guys, do you think that you can help me out here and get the next video to over 1,000 likes on this specific video today? Please help me to smash up the likes and let's try to break here 1,000. Guys, that's already the end of the video. Please destroy the YouTube algorithm, click the like button, click the subscribe button, hit also the notification bell. And guys, you know the deal. I see you tomorrow.